My name is McVeigh from Oqema. I am the technical manager of Oqema Limited. I'm going to give you a bit of a background regarding obviously Oqema and how we use basically the Micro-Matic system for Hydrazine Hydrate. So Oqema is a distributor, manufacturer of basically specialty and base chemicals with operations throughout Europe. It's been established in 1922 and has over 1,200 employees across 21 countries throughout Europe. And we have a various depth of knowledge and specialized customized solutions for our customers. And this is some of the figures where it's got a turnover of almost 900 million euros. We got 27,000 clients, 1,200 employees across 21 countries, and over 18,000 products. So we're quite a big organization. But I work for the UK company, which was established in 1997, originally called Lansdowne Chemicals, but we changed and rebranded in 2018 to Oqema. And we are a global distributor and manufacturer of raw chemical materials. We offer bespoke labeling and packaging with just-time deliveries. We offer a quality service and high safety standards of our products are paramount. We got a number of what's called Soveto sites or Comer sites throughout the UK. We've got one top tier and two lower tier sites, and we also got various accreditations like ISO 9000 and 14000. We got a revenue roughly 130 million euros per annum and 92 employees, and we got offices and warehouses across 3 continents: Europe, Asia, and North America. And we do everything from aromatic chemicals to products for nuclear reprocessing to basically animal feed, you name it. So we tend to sort of more specialty products, low volume, high margin, usually sometimes high hazard chemicals. That's what we tend to specialize in. Some of our key customers for Hydrazine are Johnson Matthey, we've supplied them over 20 years. Sellafield, that's the nuclear reprocessing site in the UK, over 25 years. Orano, formerly Areva, that's 25 years plus. EDF Energy, which is all the nuclear stations in the UK, over 25 years. Scottish and Southern Electricity, again, over 20 years. And these are mainly our Hydrazine customers, or manufactured product customers. So we've got a long-term established relationship with some of these key blue chip companies. The reason why we've managed to retain them as customers is due to safety and also looking at new technologies to ensure that there's no exposure to their operators or to the environment. So we built a brand new dilution facility in 2007, and we've been handling hydrazine since the early 80s. We're the largest consumer of hydrazine hydrate in the UK and the leader in basically market dilutions, offering everything from 3% hydrazine up to 80% hydrazine hydrate. In 2005, hydrazine became a named substance underneath what's called the Soveto directive, which means our customers want to take less than 7.5% hydrazine hydrate. And the reason why is they could avoid becoming a top tier Soveto site or top tier Comer site. So we decided to build a brand new facility to handle hydrazine, and we used the Micro-Matic system. And the reason why we use the Micro-Matic system is it provided a closed drum system, removed our operators away from PPE, personal protective equipment, towards an engineering controlled system. And this allowed us to effectively have a returnable containers and drums, whereby we installed the Micro-Matic valve in everything from 25-litre jerry cans up to IVCs. And the customer effectively decanted the product safely, returned it back to our facility for refilling, and we could fill the product safely without any exposure, like Martin demonstrated in his presentation of a closed drum system. And I got a video here for you, for everybody to view. Hopefully this will work. This is our obviously hydrazine dilution facility in the UK. This is where we basically dilute hydrazine. And as you can see, this is also basically transferring hydrazine from an IBC into one of our vessels using the Micro-Matic coupling. So the air goes into the coupling, and this is connecting like Martin demonstrated in his previous presentation. And we use it for basically 200 kilo drums up to jerry cans and IVCs. This is the simulation. It was recognized by the HSE as a case study, which basically demonstrated a best practice for handling carcinogens in a closed system. So there's no exposure to operators or to our customers for hydrazine. So that's basically the video. So as I said previously, we basically now got a closed room system and also a closed loop system, whereby all of our containers in the UK have this Micro-Matic valve installed, which allows our customers to decant the product safely and return back to ourselves for filling safely. And we install the Micro-Matic coupling into everything from jerry cans up to IVCs and plastic IVCs as well as stainless steel IVCs, which are all UN tested. The dry brake coupler is very durable. It's made from stainless steel, and it obviously provides a quick disconnect and a dry disconnect, and allows us to transfer hydrazine up to 6 liters per minute into the customer's vessel, and obviously it has enhanced worker safety. And yeah, effectively, previously mentioned, it's drove the change for UK customers away from one-shot packaging to basically returnable packaging. The customer packaging now dedicated for refilling, and also the package is secure, so it means that we've got no issues regarding cross-contamination. So when the valve installed in the container, it means that the customer cannot contaminate it with any other products. It means it's dedicated for our hydrazine within the UK. That means that we are reassured when the containers get returned back to us that they have not been cross-contaminated with any other product, and we can refill the container safely. And we've created a closed loop cycle within the legal span of reusable packaging, 5 years for plastic and 15 years for stainless steel. And yeah, it's used for effectively almost all of our dilutions within the UK. Okay, and that's the very basic information on our plant. So we've got one dilution vessel, numerous tanks, 3 tanks of hydrazine hydrate, 80%, and various other equipment on the side basically to handle and dilute hydrazine hydrates. Okay, so that's me. So I'll hand you back to Giuseppe.